Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Potol Bhapa, a very famous Bengali recipe. If you like our recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. So let's get started. To make Potol Bhapa, first we need to boil our potols. Here we have taken 4 potols or parwals. Now we are going to boil them for almost 2 minutes with the lid on. In the second stage, we need to marinate our boiled parwals. Now we are going to add some poppy seed and mustard seed paste. Next, I am adding some turmeric powder. I am adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Next, I am going to add salt according to taste. Next, I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar into this and some green chilies. Lastly, I am adding some mustard oil into this and will marinate it and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we are going to cook this marinated parwals in this oven for almost 6 minutes. After that, it will be ready. Bhapa potol is absolutely ready. Enjoy.